Hey there, it is Stephen, Rachel, and Edie, the City of Waynesboro Horticulture crew, and we are back at the flower bed we showed you in our first video when we planted the tulips and violas in the fall. If you didn't see it this spring, here's what it looked like. And if you missed how we did it, be sure to go back and check out that video.
But now the tulips are done blooming, and since we've had hot weather, both the tulips and violas are starting to die off.
So now we're going to clean out this bed and plant it with flowers for the summer.
This is our plant combination with the pink salvia, the orange zinnias, and the chartreuse sweet potato vine.